Hi students, this is Swarnadeepa. Today we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector from practical geometry. Okay, so here you should know what is a perpendicular bisector first. Is it clear? So perpendicular, what is meant by perpendicular? Perpendicular is said to be if I am drawing a line segment, okay, and if any line segment which makes 90 degree, which makes right angle to the other line is said to be perpendicular. So we can say these two lines are perpendicular. Let us say this line segment as A, B and this line segment as C, D. Okay. So if we are, if any line, okay, which makes 90 degree to the given line is said to be perpendicular to the given line. Is it clear? So in the line perpendicular, it should make the angle as 90 degree. So that is known as perpendicular lines. So next, bisector. What is a bisector? Bi, you know already, I explained you in my previous video that bi means two. Okay, sector means sections. So if any line, if I am dividing anything, any line or any angle, anything, if I am dividing it into two equal parts, then it is known as bisector. Okay, if we are dividing anything into two equal parts, then it is said to be bisector. Okay, so here perpendicular bisector means we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector for a given line, okay, which should make 90 degree to the given line, and also it should divide the line segment into two equal parts. So that is known as perpendicular bisector. Is it clear? So I think you all are clear about what is a perpendicular bisector. So now we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector of the given line segment, okay, using scale and compasses. Is it clear? We are going to construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB equal to 6 cm. Okay, now I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. Okay, so before drawing the perpendicular bisector, you should know what is a line and line segment. Okay, so line has a starting, that is line. This is a line. Okay, this is also a line, right? So a line has no starting point and no ending point. That is known as line. Line segment means it has a starting point as well as ending point. Okay, this is known as a line segment. We are going to construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB equal to 6 cm. So before constructing the perpendicular bisector, we should draw the line segment first. Okay, shall we draw the line segment? I think you all know how to draw a line segment, which you have learnt in your 6th standard. So let us recall that. Okay, so I am using a different scale. Okay, here I am using the big geometry box scale. So in your geometry box also you will be having a scale, right? So we have to draw a line for line segment. For that I am drawing one line and I am going to mark the segment. Okay, so you have to use 0 as the first point and you have to mark 6 in your scale. Okay, but here if I am marking 6 means our diagram will be very short and you can't see the diagram clearly. That's why I am using some other measurement and we are assuming this as 6 cm. So here you should mark the point for 0 and here you should mark the point for 6 cm. Okay, now we have to mark the line segment as AB equal to 6 cm. So I am mentioning this as A and this point as B and our measurement is 6 cm. This is your line segment. Now we have drawn a line segment of length 6 cm. Okay, so now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Let me tell you the procedure. See, for drawing perpendicular bisector, we have to take the compasses and take the measurement more than half of AB. More than half. What is meant by more than half? See, while seeing the picture itself, you can analyze this somewhat. Here it is half of this AB. Okay, we are going to take more than half. அப்படினா என்ன எடுக்கணும்னா AB ஓட லெந்த்ல கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணிக்கணும். Okay, is it clear? So now I am keeping my needle on A and I am taking more than half na konjam half ku mela, but AB எடுக்கக்கூடாது. Okay, AB ஓட கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா எடுத்துட்டு you can tighten your compass. Okay, here I am tightening, but you can take this compass and now we can draw an arc above the line AB and also below the line segment AB. And again with the same measurement, I am not changing the measurement. Now I am keeping my needle on B and you have to cut one arc above the line and also below the line segment. Okay, now this is my arc. Okay, now I have to mark the intersecting point as C and here the intersecting point as D. Okay, so this is your arc. So what I am going to do is, this is the final step. I have to join CD. Okay, this is C and this is D and I am going to join C and D. Is it clear? So this is your line segment. This is your line segment AB and this line is your perpendicular bisector. Okay, you can check this answer by measuring this part. Okay, after finishing this construction, you can measure this part. It will come this part as 3 centimeter. If you are measuring using your scale, means definitely this point, that is from A to 0. I am marking this center as O and this, if you are measuring B to O, means it will give you, it will measure 3 centimeter. Then only your perpendicular bisector is correct. Now I am going to explain you the steps. What are all the steps we have followed for drawing this perpendicular bisector, right? So first step is draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. That is your first step. Draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. That's what we have done previously. So that is, draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, then the next thing is, with A as center, okay, I used my compass and with A as center and take radius more than half of AB using a compass and cut an arc above AB and also below AB. Okay, the next point is with B as center, okay, with the radius more than half the same radius, cut an arc above AB and also below AB. Okay, mark the two intersection points as C and D. Okay, join CD. CD is the perpendicular bisector for the line segment AB. That is your final step. Okay, so let me explain you again. First thing is, draw a line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. Then second point is, with A as center and take radius more than half of AB and cut an arc above and below AB. With the same radius and as B as center, cut an arc above and below AB. Okay, now mark the intersecting point as C and D. Okay, now join CD. Finally, you have to write CD is the perpendicular bisector for the line segment AB. Is it clear? So that's all. This is the procedure for drawing perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. Okay, is it clear? So you can also work out some of the problems in your exercise, right? So thank you.